How are you?
Clint Adams.
Clint, nice to meet you.
This man organises the whole
No,
of
I
this.
don't. I just glue it together. I glue it together.
He's logistics,
Yeah.
so he gets everything in here and out of here as well.
No,
So you're not even anywhere near finished?
No.
No, you never finish.
No. Yeah, you start thinking about next year straight away?
Oh no, we had first truck in for bump out, arrived this morning.
Yep.
So it's just,
Starting.
well, we've got limited storage space,
Okay.
and as the product goes out,
Yeah.
dealing with nurseries, pulling empty trolleys in.
Yep.
So the idea is Sunday night, just throw the trolleys out,
Off you go.
kiddies all pick them up, they load them,
Yep.
we pick them that night, next morning, 6 o'clock in the morning, see you later.
How many years have you been doing it for now?
24,
Yeah, wow.
yeah.
And you enjoy it?
I wouldn't be.
Well, that's not necessarily true. Some people can't afford to
or I
not.
can't get a real job.
Yeah.
You know,
That's
so
good.
it's just a case of gluing them together and then seeing. So I start with them a month out.
Yep.
I get the list, who's landscaping, who's new,
Yep.
and then you know everyone gets their manuals now.
Yep.
They're that big, and nobody reads them. Like, right,
Okay.
what are you doing?
Yep.
Send me through your plans. I don't
Yep.
send them to anyone else.
Oh, because you have to keep it. Yeah.
No,
yeah.
they just look at it.
Yep.
You know, it's like the night of judging. I know who's won,
Yeah.
and I'm dealing with these guys.
Yeah.
You know, like
Yep.
Phil Withers a few years ago.
Yep.
I knew he won Best in Show.
Yeah.
He had these totem poles and somebody was sensitive to it on some island somewhere and
Yeah.
social media picked it up.
Yeah.
So we were out there at 9:30 at night and I'm bringing him beers down. He's in tears. We've
Yeah.
got the chainsaw out going.
Because he's not the kind of guy that would intentionally offend anyone.
No.
No, but
Never.
Things happen.
No, but none of them mean to.
No.
You know what I mean?
No.
And I've got days there where you can just see him getting flat, like
Yeah.
up to my office, we need to have a meeting
Yep.
and just give him a beer.
Yep.
Something that's all
That's
they need.
perfect.
So no man knows more best in shows than this man. He's
Yeah.
seen them
No,
all.
it's just you like concierge. You just
Yeah.
hi, how are you?
Yep.
What are you doing? You know,
Yep.
it's
But
how
then it sounds like you're also mum or dad at some point. You just have to put your arm around them and make sure, tell them it's all going to be okay. And we've had this before.
Sometimes not. You know, and there's also times where you got somebody new and they've completely balls it up. The show's got to start, and then you
Yeah.
go to the next day and you go, "Hey, you are finished. I need a render over here tomorrow. Can you?" And you don't even tell the landscape. You know
just get
it's
it done.
screwed.
Yeah.
And then you go to them that night. Go right. Tomorrow I've got a renderer coming.
Yep.
I've got a so and so coming,
Yeah.
and use them.
Yep.
And
That's
they're
so
like-
cool.
And they're like, "What do you mean?" I go, "Well, they're finished."
I know you're not going to.
Yeah, and we want to present a product to you, and we've got a show to get going, and that's what you got to do sometimes. I went over looking at a show on Channel 7, and all these guys looking at everything, and I said, "What type of water you got here?"
Yep.
And then they were on bore water, which is totally unsuitable. So
Yeah.
all of a sudden that venue just went
No, not happening.
down the chute.
Yep.
They're all the little things you don't think
Yeah.
of.
Well, that's my main thing I'm thinking the whole time is water and electricity, because everything's got a water feature, or they have to water plants, or, you know, there's so many of them next to each other. There's garden lighting on, and I'm thinking, how's this all, like, have you got underground?
Well, on a hot year, you need 3 gig of
Yeah,
water.
yeah. That's what you use.
Yeah.
Jesus. And then do you get involved in, I guess, the remediation of the park when it's finished, or does that get handed back to council and then they take care of it?
No, they've got a set process. So there's an arborist
Yep.
that's involved with how close we can peg. So,
Yep.
so that's an established tree, 4.5 metres.
Yep.
That's a young tree.
Yep.
It's 1.5. So there's a whole set of rules, and then over the years we've got all this flooring down to
Yep.
protect high
Traffic.
traffic zones, and then there's parts of the park we've been returfing.
We do a lot of work business with Adelaide City Council, and every time they have an event, so obviously when the V8s are on, or there's the fringe,
Yeah.
those parklands get destroyed. And part of the contract is that there's either $100,000 remediation cost, and the council then use that to returf, new sprinklers,
Yeah.
so much, because it's, you know, the fringe goes for 8 or 12 weeks. There's people tents on lawn.
Yeah.
So-
it's shot.
Yeah, this is obviously shorter, but I think you probably get probably more people through being in Victoria. But so good to meet
Nice
you.
to
Thank
meet
you
you.
so much.
All right.
Enjoy the rest of your day.
You too. Enjoy the show.